Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara and here I do a lot of DIYs, hauls, some makeover and a little bit of lifestyle videos. So if that is your area of interest, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and definitely share it with your friends and your families. So I want to show you guys something that I had my fundi made. It's a very simple console table, or rather I'll call it a console rack, but it's basically a console. So I had my fundi make the frame, and then I will have my other fundi to come and measure the top, because I want to put the top glass more like it. So I'll show you how it looks in a minute, but before I do that, the measurement of the console was according to the place where it's going to be. Yes, it's going to be. So that is how I wanted it to be. It's not like your normal console, but it's actually a very simple, minimalistic kind of a console that we are going to put the mirror. I'll show you how all that will come into place. So let me go and show you how that place looks like. So if you are a returning subscriber, karibu sana, and if you are a new viewer, karibu. We've introduced the video. Hi. So let's go and show you how that console looks like. This is the console. So that is how it looks like. It has like 3 shelves. So there's this upper one, and there's a middle one, then there is a bottom one. So I want to put glass on top of here and on top of here. So I'll put wooden something. That is how it looks like. So right now I want to spray paint it black, and then from there we are going to put the glass on. So this is the spray paint we are going to use.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go.
Hi guys, happy Sunday. We've left the house already, and I really wanted to show you my outfit of the day, because every time I'm doing a vlog and I happen to be in the car, that's when I take the camera and I end up showing you hair of the day. As in, our vlogs on Sunday are hair of the day, and I guess you guys just have to get used to it. So currently we just left home like 10 minutes ago, and I want to see how the expressway looks like. Have you guys seen the expressway? I'll try shoot if I can. If everything goes like smoothly, I'll try shoot. But let's go see the expressway and see how it looks like, because we have just been cruising. Actually, only the, what do you call it, below the expressway. Does it even make sense? Below the expressway, as in down the expressway, the lower roads. That's what we have been using. So I want to go and see how the like expressway looks like. So let's go. So someone is distracting me. My son is here.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my your love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow, 'cause you're in my head. You are, 'cause you're in my head. 'Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? 'Cause you're in my I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget. But you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is